Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add SoloLearn certificate to LinkedIn. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add your SoloLearn certificate to your LinkedIn profile, what you need to do is first log into your SoloLearn account on your website. So simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in SoloLearn and tap on the SoloLearn link. Then once you are there, be sure to be logged into your account and navigate to your profile and scroll down to the certificate section. Then simply click on certificate you wish to add to LinkedIn. Then right click on the download PDF button or select copy link address, the URL, and then once done, all you gotta do is copy the URL and then modify it by simply typing https://www.sololearn.com/certificate/1234 your number and /PDF. Then once done, all you gotta do now is log into your LinkedIn account, click on me icon at the top and select view profile, then add profile, then select recommended and add license and certifications, then fill in the details like name, issuing organization, issue date, credential ID, credential URL, and then paste the modified URL from which you have modified. And once done, click on save to add certificate to your profile. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.